They call it the no snooze rule. Simple, brutal, unbreakable. In the Navy, they say, if you hit snooze, you've already lost. Because those first 10 seconds after waking decide who's in control, you or your comfort. Most people start their day negotiating. 5 more minutes. I'll go later. But elite soldiers don't bargain with the alarm. They move before the mind wakes up enough to argue. That's the trick. Action before thought. Motion before emotion. When your alarm hits, your brain offers comfort. But if you move instantly, sit up, feet on the ground, lights on, you hijack that signal. You teach your brain that commands mean movement, not excuses. It's not about being in the military. It's about building self-trust. Because every time you say, I'll do it later, and don't, your mind learns you can't be trusted. But when you act instantly, no matter how small, you reinforce identity. You become the person who does what he says he will do. The Navy doesn't train willpower. They train response. The gap between thought and action must be zero. That's discipline, not motivation, not hype, but habit under pressure. Try it tomorrow. No snooze. The alarm rings. You stand. No debate. No deal. No delay. Just movement. That's your first victory. And that victory cascades. You eat better. You focus faster. You start winning before the world even wakes up. Because in the end, discipline isn't about doing more. It's about deciding once and never negotiating again. The Navy guys call it the no snooze trick. You can call it the moment your day and your life starts to obey you.